As was expected, the existing giants are already started to roll out AI features in their products. Now, Meta has introduced new AI experiences across their products. So what is happening is that Meta is rolling out AI powered upgrades to its social platforms. They are integrating all of these Gen AI applications, chat interfaces, image generators, and even celebrity tie-ins for Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. These new features in all of these applications are based on the power of Llama 2 and also on the image generator, which is pronounced as Chameleon more than likely. So all of the users of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, they can talk with these chatbots, and then these chatbots will be like the faces of real time or real life celebrities. For example, the example which I saw on the internet and also on this website is that there is one named as Dungeon Master, which bears the likeness of rapper Snoop Dogg. And also we have some sports enthusiast. Brew looks like retired quarterback Tom Brady, and then there are various others. And these same apps will add Meta AI, which is a chatbot that answers questions and produces images. Meta AI, which can search the web via Microsoft Bing, is available as a beta test in the US only at the moment. And then it will also be available later this month on Meta's Quest 3 virtual reality headset and also in the upcoming line of Ray-Ban augmented reality glasses. As we all know that Meta has somewhat lagged behind its other competitors in the AI research, but now they are really catching up. The release of restricted open source model Llama 2 has really uplifted Meta's profile as AI powerhouse. So I believe quite exciting. These chatbots, which look like celebrities, are an interesting concept, but users need to know that they're not chatting with a real person. That is must, and I'm more than sure they will have some sort of disclaimers around it. Once it is released, I will do another video to show you the live demo of these products. So stay tuned. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.